Hello, 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 hello. Welcome to my channel. It's called Cooking My Way with Sister Faye. I'm Sister Faye, and I hope y'all having a wonderful day. Okay, let's get started. Today, I will be making a super moist strawberry cake. A super moist strawberry cake from the box. I'm going to pour all this mix in here. Next, I beat 3 eggs. So I'll pour the eggs in here. 3 eggs. Give it a stir. Now, I have a 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. I have 1 cup of water. And that's all the ingredients for this part. Make sure you get all down in it. All around the rims and the bottom. This baby up. If you have a mixer, feel free to use it. But I've been beating this all my life. Pretty sure there's one in here. In one of them cabinets in the kitchen. But I just prefer to do it this way. Help me to hold out, Lord. Help me to hold out, Lord. Help me to hold out until my Savior comes. Getting there. Beautiful, beautiful pink. Strawberry looking. Oh, help me to hold out. Oh, help me to hold out. Oh, help me to hold out until my Savior comes. Lord, help me to hold out. 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 Lord, help me Beautiful, beautiful. Okay. I have these things. Or I put a little flour on top. Shake it off. What I'm going to do now is pour this batter in. Okay. What I'm going to do now, I have my oven preheated at 325. I'm going to take these two babies and let them bake for like anywhere from 32 to 35 minutes. Then I'm going to let them cool off. And I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Got these baby out the oven. They've been cooling now for like 40 minutes. I'm getting ready to take it out the pan. I'm getting ready to put some frosting on it. Vanilla, rich and creamy frosting. Again, that's vanilla, rich and creamy frosting. Okay. Now, I'm going to put the other layer over this one. Good old vanilla frosting. Okay. What I'm going to do now is place, I had cut up some strawberries. This is something extra that I wanted to do. And I'm going to place the strawberries on top of this. Just like that. Because it is a strawberry cake. Just placing some strawberries on it. That's what I'm doing. Okay, there you have it. Super moist strawberry cake. Beautiful. Super moist strawberry cake. I want to thank y'all for tuning into my channel today. Again, my name is Sister Faye. And as always, I would love for you to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm just thanking y'all in advance because I appreciate y'all. Good day. I'm out.